So, it is clear that medieval period is the period between the ancient as well as the modern period. It has been started in the 8th century and lasted up to the 18th century, or we can say up to the mid of the 18th century, that is the 1750 AD from the 700 AD. Now, let us talk about the features of the medieval period. The historians have divided the medieval period into the two phases. First one is the early phase, and the second one is the later phase. Early phase has been started in the 8th century and it lasted up to the 12th century, whereas the later phase has been started into the 13th century and it lasted up to the 18th century. This early phase of the medieval period shows the rise of Rajput kingdom in the North India, and it shows the conflict of Kannauj and the Chola kingdom in the South India. And the later phase of the medieval period started in the 13th century and lasted up to the 18th century. It has shown the Delhi Sultanate. And you know very well that Delhi Sultanate was under the Turks, Afghans, and this period has also shown the rise of the Mughal power, rise of the great Mughal power in the India.